perfect country lanes and roads for the Honda GB350 today, and I'm going to give you plenty of opportunity to soak up the marvellous sound and scenery of this picturesque part of the New South Wales coastline. But first, I have to say what a charmer this bike has already been. It not only attracts attention and questions everywhere it goes, it has attracted unprecedented interest in my small channel, far more than I expected. I didn't buy this or any other bike to get views. It has been available in Australia for more than a year, and it took that long for me to make the right decision. I bought it for Riding Hood to continue her journey of learning to ride a motorcycle with gears after she had a bad fall when the front brake locked up on her on the previous bike she was learning on. Only now is she ready to get back in the saddle again, and that dictated the timing of us getting this modern and safe retro-looking roadster with ABS brakes and switchable traction control. But I didn't realise the interest there is internationally for this great-looking modern classic motorcycle. And even if that dies off, I definitely won't be selling it. I buy all my bikes new and keep them for the long haul. I love this low-revving, long-stroke, air-cooled motorbike. Even if Riding Hood gets ready to progress onto something bigger, I know she will want to keep it too. But even when she is ready to step up, I don't think she will ever want to stop riding her early Christmas present for 2024. And the main reason we will always keep it is we both love riding it. It's unlike any other bike in our garage. Me, I enjoy riding it to cruise around on slowly and mindfully. And Riding Hood is finding more reasons to enjoy her newfound passion, and in turn is learning more about the marvellous world of motorcycling, as well as increasing her skill level. She still loves her Suzuki Bergman 200 scooter, but she's becoming even more hooked on biking as she begins to master motorcycles with gears. It is opening up a whole new world for her, and she is shrugging off her nerves about the front brake. For both of us, this is definitely a keeper, and a bike that adds diversity to our riding. I think it'll do that forever. Now I'd like to say thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and if you thought it was okay and would like to continue joining us on our motorcycle journeys, please click like on any videos you do like, and consider subscribing to both of our channels, Riding Hood and Motorcycling Down Under Australia, so you'll be alerted to future posts. Have a fantastic day, happy viewing, and happy riding.